4 gold 15s, 2 AKs, 2 base AKs, and 96 amp hour headway.
Okay. Awesome. Did you build this?
Yeah. Yeah, we actually built it in about 4 hours so I can come down here because my Tahoe wouldn't make it.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Jacob Isle, how you doing?
My daily.
Did you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Michael, MY Audio.
Okay.
From Kansas.
Oh, Kansas. All
Yeah,
right.
from Kansas. 4 gold 15s, 2 AKs, 2 base AKs, and 96 amp hour headway.
Okay. Awesome. Did you build this?
Yeah. Yeah, we actually built it in about 4 hours so I can come down here because my Tahoe wouldn't make it.
Yes, sir. Okay. Wow. And do you know the tuning on the port?
Tuning's at 50.
50. Okay.
So it's 28 on the sealed side, 50 on the high side.
Okay. Wow. That looks really good.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. And it's sealed off pretty good. A little leak.
Not too bad.
Yeah. What vehicle is this?
It's a Kia Optima.
Yeah. Okay. You have an upgraded alternator?
No.
Stock alt?
Stock alt.
Okay.
Stock alt, headway.
Okay.
Still holding voltage.
Nice. All right. That's good, man. Is there a way I can see the back real quick and then we can do? Awesome. Are these at 1 ohm, 2 ohm?
Yeah, 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. So 1 ohm per amp on the 1 ohm versions. Nice.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.